Excuse me, Captain. Here's the load sheet for you.
Thanks.
Here's my vital data card for you, Chris.
Thanks. Let me take a look. Okay, my numbers agree.
Hello Captain, here's a fuel slip. I just need the tech log and I'm finished.
Thanks. Here you go. Ready for the brief?
Yeah, go ahead, Chris.
This will be a flaps 15 takeoff, using dry speeds, on a dry surface. For the departure procedure? To review our departure, we can expect headings and altitudes as assigned by ATC.
Check.
As for the packs, we'll leave them on. Regarding the anti-ice, it's not required. For emergencies? In the event of an emergency whilst taxiing out, I'll bring the aircraft to a complete stop and set the parking brakes. I'll ask you to initiate any emergency actions and I'll tell the cabin to stand by. I'll monitor your actions and on completion I'll ask you to inform ATC of our intentions whilst I do the same with the cabin. If our lives are not in immediate danger, we'll read the checklists, otherwise be prepared to evacuate. Okay, for the takeoff safety briefing. From brake release to 80 knots, I'll stop for any significant malfunction or safety related warning. From 80 knots to V1, I'll stop only for a fire warning of any kind or an engine failure shown by two parameters, one of which must be on the ICAS, a blocked runway or an unflyable aircraft. We may also stop for a wind shear warning. At or above V1 we'll continue into the air. When stable at V2, we'll raise the gear, disarm the autothrottle and take full thrust on my command. At 500 feet above the ground, we'll make any diagnosis. We will not move either of the thrust levers, fuel switches or fire handles without mutual agreement. At 1000 feet above ground level, we'll take VREF plus 80 and vertical speed plus 200 to clean up. Selecting level change and max continuous power, we'll climb to the minimum sector altitude and consider our options for landing. Weight's not a consideration today. Any questions?
No.
Departure briefing complete. Before start checklist, please.
Inspection and security.
Completed.
Oxygen.
Checked 100%.
Flight instruments.
Set.
QNH.
3007. Set and cross-checked.
Parking brake.
Set.
Fuel control.
Cut off.
Passenger signs.
On.
Fuel.
Confirmed. 36.8 tons.
Speeds.
V1 146. VR 150. V2 157. For the flap speeds, plus 20 gives me 180200220 and 240. We have 30. Bugged 4A 1030. Acceleration altitude. We're set for a full thrust takeoff.
FMC.
Loaded.
Trims.
00 and 2 units.
Before start checklist complete.